Hey, welcome to Kaspa Daily Pulse. Here's what the Kaspa community's been buzzing about today. First up, the big conversation was all about miner incentives and the future fee market. Folks wrestled with how miners get paid as rewards taper, tossing around ideas like auction-style minimum fees, maybe trimming block size to help a fee market emerge, and even relying more on pruned nodes to keep storage costs sane. Some pointed out emissions are about 5% right now, so the issue isn't urgent this minute, but the hash rate arms race and rising electricity bills make it feel real. The vibe? No single, trust me bro, answer. It's open research, with a nudge toward adoption first, theory second. And yes, R&D links got highlighted so newcomers can dig in. Second, community mood around Shai stayed spicy. You saw calls to bring back Shai, laments that he was the only real marketing engine, plus chatter that his book is proceeding gradually. Others said he's still sharing ideas that land well, but probably not coming back as a front-facing KOL. Meanwhile, a drip of drama from X kept emotions high. Net effect, nostalgia, division, and memes. Third, a flashpoint. Binance. Several voices believe Binance might be cooking a parallel Kaspa-like chain. Jokes about Bispa and accusations that past integration convos harvested Kaspa know-how before going quiet a couple months ago. Nothing official, but the sentiment ran from frustration to gallows humor. Control+H, Kaspa, Bispa, right? Fourth, roadmap talk. DagKnight versus throughput. Builders reiterated that DagKnight is independent of the 100 blocks per second dream. Most expect will likely stay near 10 basis points when DK lands. There was also speculation that if 100 basis points ever comes, smaller blocks could target a healthier fee market, with rough bandwidth ceilings tossed around. Think a few thousand transactions per second, not infinite. For now, the what's actually being worked on list name-checked ZK/V programs, DK, oracles, and MEV auctions. Translation: real plumbing, not just hopium. Fifth, onboarding and vibe. New folks said price discussion is chaotic but has the most eyes. Mods agreed it's a landing zone and promised to pin resources, maybe even a simple link tree. People cheered projects actually using the network, shout out to Kaspa, while warning that meme coin froth can burn reputations as fast as it generates traffic. Adoption. But the good kind. That's it for today's Pulse. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Catch you then.